morning class. Welcome to online chemistry classes. As we have already started with chapter 2, elements and compounds. In the previous lesson, we have studied about elements and classification of elements. Today, we will study the topic symbol of elements. Now there is a short introduction. All the elements are represented by symbols. A Swedish scientist, J.J. Berzelius, introduced the present system of allotting symbols to the elements. Nowadays, IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, denotes the symbol and the name of the elements. So what is a symbol? Now let us understand the definition of a symbol. Symbol is a shorthand method of representing an element. Instead of writing out the name of an element, we represent an element name with one or two letters. So what is a symbol? Now instead of writing full name of the element, we can represent that element in short form. That is in the form of a symbol. The symbol of most elements are the first two letters of their English names. Now, most of the symbols of the elements are what? The first two letters of their English name. Example of some symbols are: oxygen is denoted by symbol O. Why O? Because O is the first letter of the word oxygen. Helium is denoted by He. Why He? Because He are the first two letters of the element helium. Now, if the first letter or more than one element is same, if the first letter of more than one element is same, the element are denoted by two letters. That is the first letter followed by another letter which is not common. Now, for example, there are two elements here. One element is hydrogen and another element is helium. Now what is common in these two names of the element? H. H is the first letter of both the element. So we cannot represent both the elements with letter H as a symbol. In this case, what we can do? We can take the first letter of both the element and second letter of another element which is not common in both the names. So the symbol for hydrogen is denoted by H and the symbol for helium is denoted by two letters, that is H and the second letter E. The third is the symbol of some elements are derived from its Latin name. Now, the symbol of some elements are derived from its Latin name instead of the first letter of the element. Example, copper is derived from first two letters of its Latin name, not the English name. Copper is derived from first two letters of its Latin name. And what is the Latin name of copper? Cuprum. The Latin name of copper is cuprum. So from cuprum we have taken first two letters, and the symbol of copper is Cu, not Co. Why it is Cu? Because it is derived from its Latin name.
3.
Now we are going to study the names of first 10 elements and their symbol in periodic table. What is a periodic table? It is a tabular representation of all the elements in chemistry. Now, the first element in periodic table is hydrogen, and its symbol is capital H. The second element is helium. Its symbol is capital H and small e, that is He. Third element is lithium, and its symbol is capital L and small I. Next is beryllium. Its symbol is capital B and small e. Next is boron. Its symbol is capital B. Carbon. Its symbol is capital C. Nitrogen. Its symbol is capital N. Oxygen. Its symbol is capital O. Fluorine. Its symbol is capital F. Neon. Its symbol is capital N and small e. Now this is a periodic table I was telling you about. You can see it is in a tabular form. There are columns and rows in which the elements are written according to the symbol. You can see the symbol of any element you want in this periodic table. And first 10 elements of the periodic table already I have explained you. Thank you, students. That is all for today's lesson. This chapter will be continued. Do revise the previous topics well and clear your doubts and queries, if any, in the comment section.